How to upload an SD video to your WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you super simple trick to upload high quality videos to your WhatsApp status. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply open any chat, or you can simply open your own chat. And here, once you are inside the chat, simply tap on the camera icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen, and this will open up the camera section. From here, simply record a new video or choose an existing one. I'm going to simply record the video. And here, once you're done recording the video, at the top you'll see the option labeled as SD. So simply tap on that, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select SD quality, and once you have done that, simply send it to the person. And here, once you're done sending, you can simply click on the video to open it. And here, once you are inside, at the top you can see the share button, so simply tap on that. And here, once you have tapped on that, on the new page you can see the option labeled as my status at the top, so simply tap on that. And once you have tapped on it, you can simply tap on send button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that's it. Now you have successfully shared a HD video to your WhatsApp status. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.